snowland.
Will the streak be
He goes from a
end?
planet where everything's snow.
Big Blizzard, Bolden Brave. The streak.
Ball Brave matches go 2 minutes.
Match of the night, definitely so far. Morpheus Luca versus Sean Sean.
The muscle guy versus the game champ. It's weird, like, how can you kill all those guys? So you call it your own product. I don't get it. That's why I'm getting rid of mine.
We're the best of the business. The streak. Will Bolden Brave be 5 years, and then will Yushimar brainwash him like Bobby Heenan and say, talk him to go for a world title shot? Yes, I can see myself managing Bolden Brave 5 years from now, just like Andre the Giant, and have him end the current Hulk Mania guy.
This is not.
Yeah.
We want.
That's good too.
Damn.
Bolden Brave getting it done. Get her done.
What does Wasso have planned? What's Wasso's plan? What does Wasso make?
Oh, I love Bolden Brave matches. Me too. I really do.
Yeah, so yeah, Bob's like,
Oh, I sent them already.
More than Bob lied.
Yeah.
Yes.
You didn't get him.
That guy beat anyone you're out there.
Smoke. I got smoked by Black Knight. Got smoked on Warhammer. Got smoked by everybody.
No.
Yeah. 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 It's like your one guy made all 10, highest power bombs to go. His attack percentage is 100. Smoked. Warhammer smoked them.
Liar.
Smoked them. What?
Bull
I
Brave hates stuff. Bob hates Bull Brave.
videotaped it. Yes, smoked.
If you were smart, you could Bull Brave title. There's a man that would win too. He would lose.
Yes, smoked.
He started the last match.
Yeah.
Never will.
All
lose.
right, gets your guy.
Get her done. Bolden Brave keeps the streak alive. He defeats Big Blizzard. The streak
If I wanted to
remains.
Well, we were out. I know we'll tweak that.